Good morning. So this is one-time technology solution. So we just finished this installation of 12 kilowatt inverter and 20 kilowatt battery. So we have two 6 kilowatt high bridge inverter here. So we parallel together to give us 12 kilowatts. And we also have 10 kilowatts, two pieces of 10 kilowatt battery wire. So we parallel them together to give us 20 kilowatt battery. And also this is our changeover and also our protective device. So you can just cut out at any time you want our installation done. So it's very neat. So anytime you just need, you can just call us. The install is not a barrier like my boss. So thank you very much. One-time technology. Bye-bye.